Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the extension type and preparing the natural hair. Start immediately, detangle thoroughly, wash if needed, and blow dry until fully dry. Once dry, create horizontal sections about 1 inch high and secure the top layers with clips so you can see the lower hairline clearly. Make sure the scalp is clean and free of heavy oils. Extensions adhere and sit better on a slightly textured base. Now position your mirror and extension wefts within arm's reach to save time. Now you attach the extensions methodically, working from the nape upward. Measure each weft to the curve of the head and trim only when necessary. Incorrect trimming wastes hair. For clip-ins, snap each clip close to the root and press to lock. For tape or keratin, align with natural part lines, apply pressure or melt bonds per manufacturer instructions. For micro rings, thread and clamp carefully without crushing hair. Once a row is done, release the next section and check that lengths align and weight feels even. Finish by blending and styling so the extensions look natural. Trim a little to create seamless layers and use heat tools on low with a protectant. This prevents damage. Once styled, run your fingers through roots to check for visible wefts. If you see gaps, reposition rows or add a small hidden weft. If an attachment slips, resecure immediately and inspect the bond or ring for wear. If problems persist, stop and consult a professional to avoid further damage to your natural hair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.